Hello! Today we're going to do the Little Old Lady bag puppets. So what you're going to need is your piece of paper, your bag, some scissors, the orange paint that Miss Kovac put in your baggie for this packet, and a glue stick. Oh, and some crayons. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to color the little old lady. If you remember, her dress was red. So I'm going to get a red crayon. Can you find the red? Great job. And I'm going to color the little old lady's dress red. Color, color. Good job. I think her hat was brown. And I'm going to color her shoes brown too. And probably her basket. Get your brown. Find brown. And we're going to color her hat. Have her hat colored. Now I'm going to color her basket. Do you remember in the book, she used her basket to pick up leaves and spices and herbs. Perfect. Now we're going to color her shoes. Shoes. Great job. Okay. So now we're going to cut out the head and the body. If it's easier, you can draw a circle around the body and around the head. This will help with cutting. So I'm going to cut around my line. So this is where I'm going to need my scissors. All right, I have my body. And my head. I'll go ahead and give you guys a few minutes to finish cutting. Great job. Okay. I'm sorry, the paint was for a different activity, not this one. All right, so we're gonna put our head on this flap here. So first, we're gonna need some glue. Put some glue on the head. Perfect. Put some glue on, and I'm gonna stick it on the flap. Now, I'm gonna put some glue on the body. Get your glue and put it on your body. Okay, I'm going to stick it on just like that. And you can move the head a little lower if you need to. Now we have the little old lady. What I'm going to do is open my bag and put my hand through just like this. Now I have a little old lady. Look at that. Little old lady. So you can open and close. Perfect. This is your bag puppet, and you can pretend to act like the little old lady. What are some things that she said in the book? That's right. Shoes, go away, shoes. I'm not afraid of you. She was not afraid. So we can pretend to say things from the book and use this to read aloud if you'd like. Thank you for working on your puppet. You can keep this and use it for the book or for playing. I hope it was fun. Have a great day.